How's it going? It's Mwest, and I have a quick tutorial here for you to show you how to set up the Elgato 4K-X in OBS, right? If you guys need more details on how to wire it up, I can show you. This is the third device that I have. I have the S Plus, the HD60X, and now the 4K-X, but I really want to focus on OBS, so let's get straight to the point. I have a copy of OBS open here. I have my scene set up, game scene, and then I'll be adding a new source, right? So click on the plus button. We want to click on video capture device. We want to call it whatever we want to call it. So I'll call it Elgato just for this video. All right, click OK. I have two copies of OBS running, so there is just a small lag between it. As soon as it opens up, I should be able to click on the 4K-X. All right, click on the drop down. There's the 4K-X there. I'll zoom in a little bit so that you can see it a little bit better. All right, click OK. And there we go. Right now I have my PlayStation connected. One thing that I want to point out for troubleshooting, right? If you're connecting up a PlayStation for the first time, you probably want to head over into your settings. You want to go into your system, into HDMI, and disable HDCP, right? If it's enabled, there's some type of protection there and you won't get your capture device working. Xbox, you won't have this problem. Just to kind of show you that the audio is working, let me go ahead and turn it on. All right, and that's it. That's all you really have to do. Some troubleshooting steps that you guys can do. Everybody's setup is a little different, and I'll show you why mine's is a little different from what you're used to. So let's say you're having issues with your audio. You can come into advanced audio properties. You can see your Elgato device, and maybe you want to turn it on to monitor and output. But again, I don't know what your setup is like. So for me, that's not how I hear the game. I hear it through the Beacon software. And I'll show you exactly what that looks like. For me, in the hardware tab under Beacon, right? Elgato's already selected. I just check marked it. And I can turn up the game volume or mute it on the fly. I really like that feature. So I keep all my game volume exactly the same. And I come in here and I manually turn it down, turn it up, or mute it as needed whenever I'm streaming. Again, this is a quick tutorial on how to set up the Elgato 4K-X. Please let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys can catch me live on Twitch Wednesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Or you guys can join my Discord where I do Tech Tuesdays where I help folks out. I'll put all that stuff in the description below. Thanks for checking out the video. Peace.